So children, we know I is equal to, what is I is equal to? Root of -1. I hope you remember in quadratic equations. And what is I square, children? I square is equal to -1. Okay. If root comes here, I square is equal to -1. What is I cube, children? What is I cube? So I cube means children, what is I cube? Do you remember what is I cube, children?
Minus I.
Yes, children, minus
I.
I cube is minus I. Okay, children. And what is I for, children? I for plus 1. Plus 1. So this is how we have discussed it, children. I is equal to root of -1. I square is equal to -1. I cube is equal to minus I. And I4 is equal to plus 1. I hope you all remember this, children. Derivations I told up to I30, I40, I100, I200. How to find out also I told you, children. Now, here only in quadratic equations, further I want to discuss regarding this, children. See here 1 second. First one. Okay, we have completed complex numbers, children. Now I want to discuss quadratic equations, children. In quadratic equations, the sums will come like this, children. First question: 4x square plus 9 is equal to 0. Solve it. Okay, children. To solve 4x square plus 9, nothing is there, children. We can't solve it. Okay, if you solve also, what you get? 4x square is equal to -9, x square is equal to -9 by 4, x is equal to under root of -9 by 4 you will get, which is not, because it is not a rational number, children. So what you will do in this cases means, see carefully, children, this I will write it as 4x square, children, 4x square minus 9i square is equal to 0. Can I write like this, children? Can I write like this? Because what is I square, children? What is I square?
-1.
So 9 into -1 is -8. Okay. No, sir, I don't want to write like this. Means 4x square minus 9 into -1 is nothing but 4x square plus 9 only, no, children, again, if you want. So now I can write this set as 4x square minus 9i square is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So 4x plus 9i into 4x minus 9i is equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 9i, or 4x is equal to 9i, x is equal to minus 9i by 4, x is equal to 9i by 4. Like this you can solve, children. Okay, this is one procedure. Children, did we do correct? No. Small mistake we did, children. What is the small mistake we did? What is the small mistake? 2x whole square means 2x whole square minus 3i whole square is equal to, this is in the form of this. Okay, so 2x plus 3i into 2x minus 3i is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 3i. 2x is equal to 3i. Okay, x is equal to 3i by 2 and x is equal to minus 3i by 2. Like this we have to. Okay, children, one more sum, children. Some 5, 6 numericals we'll discuss. Remaining I'll give it as homework. X square minus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0. This is, you can't solve, children. By splitting, you can't solve at any cost. When you can't solve anything by splitting, what you will do, children? See slowly. X is x square only. This is 2ab. Means here 2 square should come. If 2 square comes here, children, 2 square comes here, from 13 if you remove 4, how much is left over? 9. Can I write like this, children? This whole thing I can write it as x minus 2 whole square. And what can I write like this one? Anyone? What can I write this?
3 square.
Same. Minus 9i square is equal to 0. Okay, that is x minus 2 whole square minus 3i whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the form of a plus b. A minus b is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is x is equal to, children, in this case, x minus 2 plus 3i is equal to 0, or x minus 2 minus 3i is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 minus 3i, or x is equal to 2 plus 3i. This is how we will solve, children. Okay, in higher classes, this is how we are going to solve. Okay, children. One more sum, children, for your understanding. 9x square minus 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. Same like this only I will show you. 9x square I will write it as 3x whole square minus 2a. Children, 2 3s are 6. 6 into what gives you 12? 4. 2 3s are 6. Oh, 6 2s are 12. 6 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So children, if here 2 is there, here it will come 2 square. What is 2 square, children? 4. 20 minus 4 is how much, children? 16 is equal to 0. This we will write it as 3x minus 2 whole square plus this I can write it as, children, what this I can write it as, children, plus 16 is equal to 0. Same, children, see 3x minus 2 whole square minus 16i square is equal to 0. Same. Okay, so 3x minus 2 whole square minus 4i whole square is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to 0. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, so children, 3x minus 2 plus 4i is equal to 0, or 3x minus 2 minus 4i is equal to 0. Okay, children, so 3x is equal to 2 minus 4i. 3x is equal to 2 plus 4i. X is equal to 2 minus 4i by 3. X is equal to 2 plus 4i by 3. Like this we have to do. Hope you are able to understand, children. I will discuss 2 more sums and we will stop, children. 2 more sums we will discuss, just 2 sums, okay? So that you will have clear understanding regarding this. Just see here, children. Two more sums we will discuss, children. Next, 4th sum. So children, so question is same like this question only, children. So 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, children. So plus 3 is equal to 0. So normally, children, same. Okay, this will be this splitting will become very difficult, children, because 2x square we can write, you cannot write. So what I will do, this I will do using quadratic formula. A is equal to 2, how much, children? B is equal to how much? Minus 4. C is equal to how much? 3. What is our quadratic formula? Minus b plus
or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a.
By 2a. So please see here, children. Minus of minus 4 plus or minus under root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. Okay, x is equal to 4 plus or minus under root of 16 minus 4 to the 8 is at 24 by 4. Try to understand, children. By using quadratic formula, I am going to solve this. X is equal to 4 plus or minus under root of minus 8 by 4, children. Because minus 8 is a complex number, you all know, children. So complex number, whenever minus is there, children, how to solve it? I told you, children. Do you remember? X is equal to 4 plus or minus, see, children, 8 into minus 1. I told you. Do you remember, children? X is equal to 4 plus or minus root 8 into root of minus 1 by 4. I told you this one. 4 plus or minus root 8 is 2 root 2, children, and root of minus 1 is what, children? I. Do you remember, children? Root of minus 1 is what? I. Now, once you write it as plus, once you write it as minus, sum will be over. What is one answer? 4 plus 2 root 2 I by 4. What is the other answer? 4 minus 2 root 2 I by 4. If you want, you can take 2 common and cancel also, children. Like this you are going to do, children, because root of minus 8 is not possible. That we will write as root 8 into root minus 1. Root minus 1 is nothing but I. We have told, we have discussed regarding that in the first class only. Last sum, children, for today, and tomorrow we'll discuss some more sums, children. In the description of this audio, I'll give and so many sums, children. How many sums you want? That many. You can practice them, children. Same quadratic formula. One more sum I'm saying. 25x square minus 30x plus 11 is equal to 0. Direct solution is not possible. So what we will do means, children. So A is how much? B is 30. C is 11. What is the formula, children? X is equal to minus of minus 30 plus or minus under root of b square. B square means minus 30 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 25. How much it is going to become, children? 30 plus or minus under root of 900 minus 1100 by 50. X is equal to 30 plus or minus under root of minus 200 by 50. So children, X is equal to what we can write, children, that is 30 plus or minus. Children, this we can write as 200 into minus 1 by 50. X is equal to 30 plus or minus 200 means 10 root 2, children. And this what we can write, children? I by 50. So what are the two answers we are expecting here? What are the two answers? One is X is equal to 30 plus 10 root 2 I by 50. And what is the other answer, children? 30 minus 10 root 2 I by 50. If you want, you can take 5 as 10 as common and you can solve this answer. Anyone have any doubts in this question, children, like this question?